Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook a whole fresh chicken in our All-American Sun Oven. You ready? Let's get started. So these are the items we're going to need. We're going to need a whole fresh chicken, dark metal pot with a lid, seasoning, and of course, our Sun Oven and some blue skies. Now, it's not hot outside, but we do have blue skies. It's the fall here in Texas. The skies are blue, so as long as it's sunny, I can use the Sun Oven. So one of the things you need to know is that you need to use a really dark metal pot to cook in your Sun Oven. And you need to have a lid on it also, okay? So I'm going to season my chicken with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and red mint salt. So let's put our chicken in our pot. This is a pretty big chicken too. Gotta kind of squish him down in there. There we go. All right. So now that I have him in the pot, now, when you cook solar, you do not add any liquids to your food that you're cooking because it keeps all the moisture in, so all of the liquid will come out of that chicken. You'll see when we open it at the end of the day when it's cooked. So I'm just going to season my chicken up. And put the dark lid on it, and we're going to go outside and put it in the Sun Oven. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to put my pot with my whole chicken inside the Sun Oven on the rack. I'm going to face the Sun Oven towards the sun. I'm going to use the little white plastic guide with a circle on it that they mount on the front door. I'm going to look through that circle and I'm going to line it up with the sun. I'm going to adjust my Sun Oven as the sun rotates through the sky during the day. Also, always checking to make sure that circle lines up with the sun. As you can see in this picture, the window is steamed up because the heat is built up in the oven and it's cooking our chicken. Okay, so we're going to open our Sun Oven. Our chicken's been in here all day since this morning. Now it's evening time. It's hot. See how it looks. Ooh. Yummy. Looks delicious. Okay. So here is our whole chicken fully cooked. As you can see, the skin is crispy. Yes, you can get crispy chicken in a Sun Oven. Now also notice all of the chicken juice in the pot. That's like chicken broth that came straight from the chicken. No liquids were added to the pot when we put our chicken in the Sun Oven. That's why I said at the beginning not to put any liquids with your food when you're cooking in the Sun Oven because it keeps all of the moisture in. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you again. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.